Hey guys, my name is Khan and welcome to the new episode. In this chapter, we are going to learn about what is inducement and what is chalk. And a lot of people get confused when they mark the inducement and chalk. They don't know exactly how they can mark exactly where is our high probability inducement and chalk. In this video, I will explain all these things in details. So let's switch into the topic. You can see in front of the screen in a diagram 1 you can see market momentum is a bearish. Okay, when market break the structure is here, and then what happened, market create a little bit pullback to the upside. So what happened here, market push upside and then again push downside. So generally our main lower low is here when market taking out the first internal high. So this low is confirmed. Okay, and this first internal high you can mark as an inducement also. So main thing is inducement. When market taking out the inducement, then market confirm the lower low in a bearish market, and this is not chalk because market did not tap any demand zone right now. Okay, so price must be tapped on the demand zone, then we can consider as a change of character. If market creating bearish lower lows, then this is not change of character, this is your inducement. And same thing happen here, market ignore the inducement and push downside, correct, and then again push down upside, little pullback to the upside and again push downside. In this case this is not inducement. Why? Because market tap on this higher time frame py, it means now we can see some reversal to the upside. That's why we mark this as a change of character. Why we are marking this as a change of character? Because market tap on your POI zone. That's why this is a high probability area when we can take a reversal to the upside compared to continuation. Okay, so this is a technically, this is also you can say is a inducement. Okay, but why? Because market tap on the demand zone in a higher time frame. So our buy side probability increase compared to selling because market tap on this higher time frame PI. Same thing happen here, market change of character is here, and the first structure is a called change of character. In this case you don't need to wait for the actual structure which one is here, you don't need to wait for this one like here. Okay, you can mark the first general structure is here as a change of character. And then what happened, market push upside and create this low, and in this case this is not change of character, this is your inducement. Why? Because market turn bearish to bullish. Okay, so this is your inducement, tap on the any demand zone is here and market go higher. Same thing apply here in a diagram 2, you can see market momentum is a bearish. Same thing happen here, but only one differentiate is here, market sweep the previous major low. It means these are indication that market actually looking for the pullback to the upside. And then what happen here, same thing happen here, market ignore the low but price must be close below it. If market close below it in a higher time frame, so this is not high probability, this is our continuation trend in a bearish market. Okay, so market taking out the previous low and close here. Okay, and then what happen here, market break this first internal high, and this is also known as inducement. But at this point this is our change of character because market taken out the and this high act like a change of character. And same thing apply like diagram 1, and same thing happening in diagram 2, change of character taken out the inducement and you can buy here and continue to the upside. Okay, so this process will be continue in a bullish side and bearish side. Now let me show you one more example in a bullish side. In this diagram you can see here both diagram looks similar, but in this case market is a bullish when market break the structure is here and push higher, and this is our counter trend. Okay, why? Because market did not take any inducement in a downside. So same thing happen here, market taken out the inducement, after taking out the inducement this high is a confirm and this low is a confirm when market break this high and close above it. Okay, so market momentum is a bullish in this case, and this is our break off structure, and this one is our inducement. This is not change of character. Change of character will be create only on demand zone or supply zone. Okay, in between market create only inducement, right? So when market tap on this supply zone, this is a higher time frame supply zone, and the first internal low is here, this called is a change of character. This is not inducement. Okay, but technically you can see market is a bullish right here, you can say like this, but this is actually inducement, but market tap on the higher time frame supply. That's why we are considering this is a change of character, because selling probability is a high compared to buying. Okay, so this is change of character. Same thing happen here, market push higher high and break this structure, and this is a, you can say, a break of structure. Okay, but in reality this is counter trend like this, and price must be taken out the inducement. So this is our inducement and you can sell. And the another type of entry is possible here, if market push higher high and sweep the previous minor internal high, okay, and then push downside. So in this case you don't need to wait for the inducement, right? So you can generally sell here. This is a possible two scenario, after the inducement or without inducement. So you can say in this bullish market how you can identify where is choke and inducement, and same thing apply in a diagram too. You can see market taken out the previous measure high, and after taking out this high, price must be close below it, right? And then market break the first internal low, which is also known as a change of character, or you can say inducement, but at this point we call it change of character, right? And then same thing happen here, inducement taken out and then sell, right? And same thing will be continue in a downside. So main thing is here, when market tap on the supply or demand zone, then market break the first internal high or low, that's called change of character. Okay, when market continue pushing higher high and taking out the internal low, internal high, that's called inducement. Okay, so this is a simple thing. Now let me show you on a real chart that how you can identify the actual inducement and actual structure, and how you can identify where is a choke. Okay, now let's switch into the real chart. Now let's talk about the how to identify the inducement, and some people struggling to identify that where is the inducement, and sometimes you can see two candlestick and then they mark the inducement, and sometimes the bigger move they mark the inducement. So how you can identify where is the high probability inducement and what is minor inducement and major inducement? So in a diagram one, you can see sometime what happened, market break the structure, and after break the structure what happened here, and you can see this is our minor inducement, and some people mark this as an actual inducement, and sometime it's work and sometime not. Why this move is not actual inducement? Reason is a very simple. You can see this high and this low, mark this low. If same thing happen here, like all moves are similar, okay, so this can be your actual inducement. Okay, but if you can see or differentiate between this inducement like this, okay, and now you can see minor. Okay, so this is not actual inducement, this can be your minor inducement for this move is here, right? And this is our internal structure. Okay, so if market taken out the first minor inducement, so this will give you a little bit move into downside possible here. Okay, and then push downside and break the structure, and again push the upside. Okay, and then again taken out the inducement and again push downside, but actual structure is here. Okay, if market break this structure is here. Okay, so this is our major inducement, and lower inducement means small inducement give you small momentum, and major inducement give you major move into downside or upside. Okay, so how we can identify them? This is a very simple thing. First is, you can see in a second picture, market momentum is a bearish, and every structure is a looks are similar. Okay, there are no difference in a size. Okay, if market create larger structure like this, okay, like this, So actual inducement is here. This can be your major inducement. If same thing is here, all these structure is a similar, so we can mark this is our actual inducement, or you can say a major inducement, right? So this is our major inducement, taken out this high, and we can sell, and we can catch actual main move to the downside or upside. But in this case you can see this is our minor inducement, and these type of situation mostly you can see in index, in stocks pair, mostly in S100, bank nifty, US 30, right? But in a forex market you can see a very sometime you can see, but majority of the times you can see same thing in a index and stocks. Okay, you are following the minor inducement or major inducement. Major inducement give you a major move, and minor inducement give you minor move. Okay, so now let me show you on chart that how you can actually mark this type of inducement. For example, I'm looking for the gold chart in a 5 minute. I'm just giving you example to identify the inducement, identify the chalk. Okay, so this video help you a lot to understand these things. Okay, so in this case you can see where is our first structure, and here first one is here. This is our inducement, actual inducement is here, and after taking out the inducement our major high is a confirm is here, correct? And the next break of structure when we confirm, when market break this structure and close above it. Okay, so after break this structure and price once close above it, so this is our break of structure, and this low is a confirm now in a downside, and this is our higher low. Okay, and this is our higher high, and again market push upside, and after closing the candle you can see how market react here. You can see in this internal structure market moving like this. Okay, so every movement is looks similar. Okay, there is no big difference between this move. Okay, so we can mark the first low as a inducement. Okay, if there is any big move like this, okay, so we can mark the actual inducement is here. Okay, and this can be your minor inducement, correct? So in this case every movement is a similar, so our main inducement is here, correct? So after taking out the inducement, what happened here? Market confirm the higher high, which one is here. Okay, so this one is our higher high confirm, and when our the higher low confirm after break the structure to the upside. So what happened here? Market break the structure, after break the structure and closing above it. So now we can consider this is our higher low. Why? Because this is our lowest point after break the structure. Okay, now let's move on. We can see after break the structure where is our inducement in this case. So in this case you can see here market create a small structure is here and push upside. So after break the structure, where is our first inducement? Every movement is a similar. So first move is also known as a inducement, correct? So this one is our inducement because every movement is similar. So this low is our inducement. And what happened here? Market closed above it, but market did not take this inducement, and market break the structure to the upside is here. It means what happened here? Market taken out the liquidity, okay, and create new high. Okay, so this high is a transfer from here to here. So this high transfer here to here, and the our inducement also transfer at this point like here to here, correct? Because our high is a transferring, then our inducement is also transferring at this point here, okay, and this point, right? Now we can see market taken out the inducement is here. Okay, so this is our inducement, and after this inducement what happened here? This is our confirm higher high. So this is our confirm high taking out the inducement, and when we can mark the our next break of structure, price must be break this high and close above it. Correct. So what happened here? As you can see here, market break this structure but did not close above it, just sweep the liquidity. So what is this? This is our indication that market actually looking for the pullback, because market sweep the major high and this high is a sweep which is also called entry type 3. Okay, and when market sweep the previous high or low, then we can sell, and same thing we can apply at this point. Market sweep this high and at this point we can sell to apply entry type 3, and this is our also known as a change of character, and this is also known as an inducement, because market sweep the major high. So first move is also known as a change of character. Correct. So you have to prepare on both sides. When market sweep this high, we can sell in this side till this zone, right? And what happened here? Market again push higher and taken out this high and sweep this previous high, and we can again sell here. Okay, so this is our entry for the sell for the short term. Okay, but what happening with structure? So our structure shift here to here. Why? Because market did not close above it. Our major high is a transfer here to here. And then what happened here? You can see our main inducement is a transfer here, and this is our inducement. Why? Because our higher high transferring, then our inducement is also transferring here to here. So this is our breakoff structure, this is our higher high, and this is our higher low. Our main structure is a bullish, but short term we can sell to apply entry type 3. Okay, so what happened here? If market push higher high and break this structure and close above it, so this can be your actual breakoff structure. If market break this major low is here and close below it, so this can be your change of character, because market momentum is a bullish and now market shift a bullish to bearish and market break the major low. Okay, if market break the first low, internal low, this is a not change of character. Okay, but technically here this is a change of character, but when market break the major structure, so this is called our change of character. At this point market break the internal low, so this is our inducement. If market break this major high, so this can be your actual break of structure. So let's see what happened next here. So as you can see here, first market sweep this high, correct, and after sweep this high we can apply entry type 3. If market give any opportunity here for sell, then we can sell, otherwise no. Then what happened here? Next third candle close above it, which means market confirm the breakoff structure. So this is our breakoff structure is here, and where is the our lowest low is here. Okay, so this is our higher low. Market push higher, break the structure and push downside. After break the structure, where is our inducement? You can see in this case there is no internal low. We can mark this is a actual internal low, but technically this is our internal low, because in this pullback market did not break this high, there is a no pullback, this is a single candle move. So this is our internal low, or you can say inducement. Okay, so everything is here. You can see only one leg is here for the internal low. If market break this low, taken out this low and push higher, so this can be your new high. If market create new structure, okay, so our inducement will be changed. So same thing happen here. Market break this high, means internal high, and then what happen here? Market taken out the first internal high, and this is like this. Okay, like this, because everything is a similar. You can say here every move is a similar. So first move is also known as an inducement. So market taken out the inducement, correct, and our higher high is a confirm. Okay, so this is our higher high. If market push higher high and break this high and close above it, correct, so this will be our break of structure. Okay, if not break the structure, just sweep the liquidity, then we can sell for the short term to apply entry type 3. If market unable to break this high and push downside, break the major low, and this will be our change of character. So what happened here? Market push upside after break the structure, what happened here? You can see, so in this case, where is our internal structure? You can see market creating this internal structure like this, okay, here, because everything is a similar at this point. You can see every move is a similar. There is a no difference in a pullback, okay. So which one we can consider as a inducement? Technically this is not, because market did not break any low. So our actual inducement is here, okay, because it took out the previous candle low. So this is our inducement is here, okay. After taking out the inducement, what happened here? This is our higher high, and this is our higher high confirm is here, and where is our higher low is here, and this higher low confirm when market break the structure is here. And then what happened? Market taken out the inducement, and then what we can expect here? We can expect if market push higher high and break the structure and close above it, so this will be our break of structure. If market unable to break this high or just break this low, okay, and close below it, so this will be our change of character. If market sweep this low, so we can buy to apply anti-type 3. If market sweep the major high, we can also sell for the short term to apply anti-type 3, right? So let's see what happened next here. As you can see here, market taking out the major low but did not close below it. So it means market just sweep the liquidity and push higher high. So after taking out this liquidity, which one is here, or you can say liquidity sweep, major low sweep, and then we can buy after change of character. So after this, where is our change of character is here. So this is our actual change of character at this point. After change of character, we can buy, correct. And when we can buy, you can see this is our demand zone. So after this change of character, this is our demand zone. And why I did not buy here, okay, because market create the liquidity is here in an equal low at this point, and below it we can buy, because market create the liquidity, and always buy below the liquidity or sweep the liquidity, okay. So change of character, push downside, and at this candlestick you can say market sweep the liquidity is also here, if you can see, right. So we can also buy at this point here, okay. But you have to keep remember, at this point you have to keep your stop loss just okay. If you are putting the stop loss just below it, then most of the time you the stop loss, but your actual low is a nearby your stop loss, so you can extend here, okay. But in this case this is a larger stop loss, so we can probably buy here, and at this time possibly our stop loss hit, correct. So this can be your loss after change of character. And then what happened here? Market create equal low, which is an indication that market actually creating more liquidity in a downside, because below it we can see is an extreme, and this one is a first order block and second one on the extreme. So always extreme is a high probability, that's why market taken out the liquidity and go higher. And the extreme one is also sweep the liquidity is here, if you can notice here. So market sweep the liquidity, and this is our high probability order block, okay. So in this case change of character, first order block is here and second order block is here. So extreme is a high probability and first one is a 50% chances. So what happened here? You can see market tap here and then go higher, and market close above it. So this is our break of structure. So market break the structure and close above it. So our new structure is here. Market break the structure and we can shift our higher low is here, correct. And they break the structure, and in this case you can see there is no inducement. This is a single leg, but we need inducement to confirm the higher high. But in this case market did not break the any structure is here. If market break the first high, which one is here, market push higher high, okay, and again push upside and taken out the inducement, so this can be your confirm high, okay. But in this case market did not create any inducement, So where is our actual inducement? Is here. Okay, market or sweep this low, so this can be also confirm higher high. So what happened here? As you can see here, market break the structure, and after break the structure, this high is a confirm to the upside is here, and this one is your confirm higher high. But look at the downside, market break this structure and close below it. So this is an indication that market is a confirm the change of character. All right, so now you can see at this point, this is a very interesting thing which I mentioned in a starting. At this break the structure, where is our inducement? Okay, and a lot of people get confused at this time, because some people mark this as an inducement, which is absolutely correct. And then what happened here? Market taken out the inducement, and some people mark this as our lower low and lower high, break the structure, sweep this low. No, actually this is our internal inducement. Okay, if you can see on the above side, you can see this is our internal structure is here, right here. Okay, it means this is our internal structure. Okay, like this. Okay, and then what happened here? Price must be taken out this high. This major inducement will give you major move. Okay, this minor inducement did not we don't expect a larger move. Okay, but definitely will give you a smaller move to the downside or upside as per the trend direction. In this case, market is a bearish, so market taken out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, market definitely will give you most of the time is a move. Okay, so what happened here? Market push downside, again push downside, and finally again market break this high, and this is an inducement. And then what happened here? Market again give a reaction in a lower time frame also, and then market push downside. But in reality, where is our major inducement? Major inducement is here. Once market taken out this major inducement, we can sell. Okay, because the minor inducement will give you minor move. Okay, and major move always give you major move. So it's depend on the situation, and sometimes you can see this type of inducement move, but after break the structure, you have to check your internal structure. Every structure is a similar or different. If internal structure is a different in a size or shape, then you can apply this type of thing. Okay, mark the actual structure like this, and if every move is a similar, okay, so you can choose first one. In this case, I did not choose this one. If I take this one, so I will take trade as per the minor inducement for the short term profit, short term loss. Okay, and if market break the major inducement, so this will give you major move to the downside. Correct. And if you are buying at this point, for example here, if someone buying here, first inducement failed, and then what happened here? Market taken out this inducement in a buyer side. Okay, so what happened here? Market tap on this order block, we can buy till this high. This is our target for the buy side. Okay, market break the structure is here, but it technically save the structure. But if market close above it, taken out this inducement, and then again buy, again break the structure. Okay, taken out this inducement, again buy till this high. Okay, we can short term buy. So these things apply in a different type of situation. You have to remember, and you have to keep in your mind, and that which side market direction is going in a lower time frame, and what happening in a lower time frame structure is the same thing and the same move, or just a different. Okay, so there is a not fix anything. It's all about probability. Where is the high probability entry? Where is the high probability inducement? There is no 100% rule in this industry to identify structure, identify the inducement, but you have to find the where is our high probability inducement, where is our high probability area when we can take a risk for the buy or sell. It's all about probability. Okay, so don't be confused when you mark the inducement, chalk, inducement, structure, anything. Okay, I hope this video will help you a lot to understand things that how you can actually mark the structure mark the inducement and change of character. So thank you so much for watching the entire lesson. See you in the next video. Happy trading.